Should you buy a house with inflation on the rise? My opinion is no, you should not. Now is not a good time to buy a house. I mean, there are a lot of real estate agents, a lot of real estate professionals out there that would probably disagree with me, but I sort of see a situation where inflation is going to be on the rise. People are going to start feeling the pinch in their wallet. Stock market's crashing. People are again going to start feeling the pinch in the wallet because their assets and 401ks and things like that are dropping down. Right now, real estate's been pretty resilient to those situations. However, as stock market crashes and as people feel their wallets getting tighter, they're going to start making lifestyle choices, and they're going to see, accumulated equity sitting in their property that they can then go deploy by selling their property. So if they go sell their property, get that cash, they're going to reset the comps on real estate. So if they sell for slightly less than it's worth, well, the next person's going to see that comp get lowered, and they're going to panic and sell for less than it's worth, and so on and so forth, until ultimately we're in a real estate pullback. So I would not buy a property now because I think there's going to be some good deals coming.